Okay, I want to show you this Kodak Pony 135 camera that I have. It comes with a set of two cameras. One is the Pony 135, the other is the Pony 828. However, I can't show you much about this camera because I don't have the film to test it also. So just gonna sell this one as it is. It will come together with this one lah, so you get 2 for 1. So I put aside, but I'll show you the 135. Okay, so comes in a nice box, 135, and also it has a user manual inside, very nice. Let me put the box one side and show you the camera. So this camera I can only test it with film, so I'm going to load the test roll. Yeah, so I need to press this. Okay. So this is the back. I'm gonna load this film, my test film. Okay. Okay, so it's pretty secure. Let me tighten it a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back. I mean no, I don't put it back. Just show you the thing since it's just a test roll. Okay, I think Kodak usually counts down instead of counts out for the film counter. So let me put -2 or something like that. Okay, so yeah, so the settings is the aperture, and then this is the shutter speed, then this is the cocking the shutter, let me see, it fires. So after firing, before I can advance, I need to press this. I can advance. Yeah, I see it counts down. Then cock again the shutter. Let me put lower shutter speed, 100, aperture 3.5. Okay, again. I think probably oiling the shutter will help. But anyways, aperture shutter speed 50. Okay, shutter speed 25. Okay, bulb mode. Yeah, so bulb mode works, although a bit of delay over there. Let me show you bulb mode again and adjust the aperture. So aperture works. The glass, show you the glass. Okay lah, sort of. Yeah, so like the special thing about the Kodak Pony is that anything before you advance, I mean although you can expose the frame multiple times, but when you advance you need to press this when you can advance. It's like a switch see? Press again when you can advance. So you need to always remember like advance ready, shoot it, press this one, then advance again. Or you can shoot it multiple times before you advance here. Or show you this one, the viewfinder. Focus it. A bit blurry, but yeah, okay lah, sort of. You see lah. Selling it as it is, Kodak Pony. There you go. Okay, so now I want to reverse the film. Press this one, yeah. So by pressing this button, I can reverse. So take back my film. Okay. So take out. Put it back. Yeah, so ready for the next test. So this is the Kodak Pony. Put back the back cover. Pull up this. Yep. Okay, thanks everyone.